good. Take him off, give him a hand. Well done. Next one. What about this one? There's some trees in here as well. That's to stop it running back. Buffer.
Okay, buffer. That's good now.
We could change it if you wanted to. Put that one there. Put that one there, and then you could run them off. And then they go run up. Look, they run up. Different one. Oh. He's pushing it. At the train yesterday. How did it go? How did the train go? Ready? Very good. Where do the ambulances live? Where do the ambulances live?
In there.
Where?
In there.
Where's the fire engine?
In there.
The fire engine over there, look.
There.
Do you want to go put them away?
No.
Oh.
Look at that.
Good boy, very carefully done.
That's
tricky with all this.
That's a little
That's
bag.
a Nino there. Where did you going to live?
It's going to be now.
Alright, okay.
This goes in there. It's going to be garbage. That's one.
There. Oops. Nearly fell off. What happened, James? There's your choo-choo. Oh, I found that. That's where this goes. Ah. Around.
That's hot.
Hmm?
Hot.
It's hot.
Yeah.
What's hot? Oh, the radiator. Which one we done here? Yeah. Think we can get James to go down. Go on, James. Change the points. Whoop. Well done, James. Oh, uh-oh. You gonna fix him? It's done.
Thomas go white.
Pardon?
Thomas go white.
Thomas,
Is this go white?
he goes right. He goes right.
The white little there.
Getting up your hand. Oh, big crash. Oh, big crash.
That's one. That's inside.
Where's it going to go now? Do you want to go down here or around here?
It's good there.
We could put him around here, couldn't we? We could put him down here, around this way. Come on, James. That's them. Oh. We turn track. Is that radiator nice and warm? Is the radiator nice and warm?
That's hot.
Is it hot?
That's hot up there.
Up there? Is it not hot at the bottom?
No.
What? I hate it when you're right. I need a bit of a bleed. Oh no, I think the heating's gone off, that's fine. Woo! You see that? I think the heating's gone off. Will you say, who gave you this? Who gave you this?
In the basket.
Yeah, in the big box, wasn't it? And who gave it to you? Do you know?
No.
Can you remember? Was it Grandpa?
It's Papa.
Grandpa and...
Look.
No, Eva.
Eva.
Grandma and Rob. Grandpa and Eva. What do you say? Do you say, thank you very much, Grandpa? For my train track. You say thank you.
Thank
If
you.
you look at the camera and say thank you.
That's
No, no, no.
right.
Yeah, no touch, no touch. Now go around the front. This way. Ready?
Huh?
You come around here, sit down and look at it. And you say,
Thank you, Grandma.
Grandpa.
Papa.
Say, go on and say thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you, Papa.
And Eva,
Eva.
for my train track.
Very
Good. And you say bye-bye, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Good boy.